I want to show you how to make a quick and simple border using block crayons. A nice trick is if you just take 2 block crayons of different shades. So for example, this is a green, a light and a dark, or you can use a blue and a purple, or you can even use the 2 different shades of yellow, depending on what you have. You can even just use the red and the yellow. The whole point is that you're going to be making a border that has 2 different shades that gives it a very, very nice feel. I'm going to start with the dark one. The nice thing about working with block crayons, I'm going to show you on some rough paper. You've got 3 different sides to it for those of you that have never worked with block crayons. If you don't have a block crayon, this is not essential. I'm just giving you alternatives to do beautiful borders. You've got the baby side that goes like that. You've got the mommy side that goes like that. And then you've got the daddy side, which is the flat side. Now, if you want to do nice effects with it, you can press, just like with your pencil crayons or with your charcoal. If you press on the left side a little bit darker, you can create a nice shaded effect. So this is the whole line, but I pressed darker on the left so it looked like it was coming. With one stroke, I've created a nice effect that looks like a shadow. And with this effect, if you were doing a drawing and you wanted to do a tree, you could do this effect with the brown, and there you've got the branch of it, the trunk of a tree. And then you use your baby side to go more down the side. So it's a very, very functional, very, very handy tool to have. But now to show you how to do a quick border, I'm going to be using the mommy side, and what I'm going to be doing is applying pressure on the left hand side. I'm just going to be doing a border going all the way around, pressing a little bit darker on the left hand side. Start off light, because you can always add more color, but it's difficult to take color away. So it's not like the charcoal where you can remove it. Once it's on, it's on. So if you can see that, I've just gone very, very lightly around the sides with the dark green. Now I'm going to take the light green and I'm going to go over the exact same area. And now I'm going to go over it again with the dark green, and you'll see how nice it looks when you're layering colors. And then to go over the edges, I just brush it harder over the sides to give it a nice dark frame. Yeah, so that was simple and it's very, very quick. And if you could leave it exactly like this, or you could draw beautiful forms along the side. I'm going to be using this for our math trick dictionary. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to be doing now. So I'm just going to be doing a border on the inside with my pencil. So I'm just going to draw a line like that. Like that, and then cross it over. So that didn't take long at all. It's bordered my page beautifully. It's a lovely frame, and inside I'm just going to do my heading. This is just going to be math just going to write, because this is going to be math tips and tricks.